How are you, friends of FORZA Laser? I'm Freddy Cabrera and I'm here at FABTECH Monterrey. Today we're going to hear what visitors to this event think about laser technology for cutting metal. First, we're joined by Angel and Eric. Please tell us, what industry are you both in and what technological tools do you use?
Look, our company is called Sitcam. It's a Durango-based recycling company. It's somewhat dedicated to the circular economy, and we primarily provide service to mines. We process their waste, and from there we also see what can be useful for the engineering division, which is, well, new, but we are implementing projects for industrial solutions.
Oh, awesome.
In the construction field, large buildings, hangars.
And what kind of tools do they typically use?
Okay, magnetic drilling machine, cutting machine, CNC, plasma cutter, wire welding machine.
We are also in the manufacturing industry. Particularly, we also work with solutions for traceability applications, laser marking and reading of these codes.
Yes, what tools do you only use or what kind of technologies?
Laser technology particularly, but for marking applications, not necessarily for cutting. But it's interesting to see the different alternatives that are available at this expo.
I work in building metal fences, like wire fences with gates and chain link mesh. We use a structure, and that structure at least is tubing. So sometimes I have to purchase pipe lots, which are offered at a very good price, but then I run into the problem of rust. So it's Schedule 40 piping, standard X and all that, but they still come with rust. Then I hear about a person, this happened just last week.
Yes.
I heard of someone who runs a laser. I said, no, I need to derust. I'm going to derust it for him.
And what are they looking for in the cutter they're searching for? What characteristics must that cutter possess?
I think something that's variable and adjustable for different thicknesses, allowing us to work fast.
It needs to be efficient, clean, and efficient.
And above all, it should be possible to use a numerical control system to get precise results.
Well, first, it needs to be a big machine. I've seen the issue.
Robust.
Yes, the topic of 12,000 watts and so on to achieve the thicknesses we are using.
What are the thicknesses in short?
1 or 2 inches.
An inch or two. It must be strong.
Yes, so if not more or less, what I'm sending out to be outsourced right now are half-inch plates, they're thin plates.
It's strong. What material? Black steel, carbon steel?
Black carbon steel.
I believe efficiency is what we're after. What we're looking for is that the gauges we're cutting help us with speed, what we want. That's why I say efficiency.
What caliber?
It's 316.
Is it black steel or carbon steel?
A carbon steel, and then there's a steel called Strange, which is one of our main star products, right? So this one, it's a little bit harder and more flexible.
Among the brands that offer these laser cutters, what is most important to you?
Ultimately, it's about the quality of the cut. If you have the issue with the arm and making sure the holes aren't concave and that the cut is clean, that's about it.
Many people say a balance of quality and price because we're just starting out. We don't have the budget to buy those big machines like the ones at the entrance.
Indeed.
But we're finding a middle ground where we can find a product that's useful and allows us to grow in our needs.
Yes, something I consider important, at least personally, that they provide you with technical support, advice, installation, that they can give you a small guide, because otherwise you face it and then, oh, it's already broken.
Mainly, I think one of the characteristics that really draws attention is having a high-tech, innovative product, and above all, the bot's presentation, I believe, is important.
Look, I need equipment that can handle tasks with fewer people. Equipment that will get more work done in less time.
Perfect.
Forget about the cutting discs and all that, that's in the past.
The service, we've had some specific issues with certain suppliers, and what we really need is the after-sales service, meaning that they are available and that they're helping us, or that they're keeping an eye on us. You know, that's what we are looking for.
If you want to learn more about laser technology, don't forget to comment, like, and hit the notification bell. See you later.